guys! Today I wanted to do a tutorial on the nails that Momo wore for the Pearly Gates and Twice collab. She posted this photo carousel to Instagram, and in the first two photos you can see that her nails are a navy blue and cream with little flowers on her accent nails. It's a super simple design, but as soon as I saw it I fell in love with it, so I wanted to make a really quick tutorial for you guys. As always, you want to start by prepping the nails, give yourself a nice manicure, and then thoroughly wipe the nails down with acetone to remove any surface oil. Then follow up with a thin layer of your base coat. Now you're only going to need two colors for this design. The first is going to be a neutral cream polish, so I'm using Sugar Cookie by BioSeaweedGel. And then next you'll need a beautiful royal blue, so here I'm using Shipwreck by BioSeaweedGel. Since this design is super simple, you can definitely swap out the colors for any two that you like. You just want to make sure that one is more light and then the other is more bold, so the design doesn't get lost between the two colors. Once you begin painting, you're going to apply that cream shade only to your pinky finger and middle finger, painting in nice thin layers. Then you can apply the royal blue to the rest of your nails. After curing, you can apply the second coat and repeat for a third if needed to reach full opacity. And then your base is all done. Now just drop a bit of each shade onto a palette or a piece of paper, whatever you have handy, but you won't need much, so just one drop of polish should be enough. Then you're going to grab your smallest dotting tool and we're going to start making our flowers. As I said at the start, this design is super simple because we're just going to be creating dot flowers. So after picking out where you'll want your flower to sit, you make one dot at the top, then one dot on each side of it, and then finish with two at the bottom. Then you could just connect them in the center to make sure you have one solid flower shape. The other method for making dot flowers is to dot and then drag, sort of how you draw an asterisk. So you can use that method if it's a bit easier for you. But the flowers don't have to be really uniform or perfect, they'll still come out looking cute every time. You just want to make sure the petals are visible so your flowers don't look like little blobs. It'll help if the polish you're using to dot them is more thick so it doesn't spread out. Then using the tiniest end of your dotting tool, you're going to dip into that cream polish and add a single dot center to each of your flowers. Now just seal it all up with a nice shiny top coat and you're all done. Once that top coat is cured, I do like to add one drop of cuticle oil to the base of each nail and then rub that in thoroughly. It's going to help condition the skin around your nails, and it's definitely the secret to having happy, healthy nails with each manicure. And that's this design complete. I know it's super simple, but as soon as I saw Momo wear these, I've been dying to recreate them. It's something anyone can do with both regular or gel polish, and it's really cute but bold at the same time. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.